Meaning of eaglet.
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 Eaglet. An eaglet is a young eagle. It refers to a juvenile bird that has not yet reached maturity and is learning to fly and hunt. Eaglets typically stay in the nest for several months before they are able to fly and begin exploring the world on their own. During this time, they rely on their parents to bring them food and protect them from predators. Once they leave the nest, eaglets continue to develop their skills and eventually become powerful hunters capable of catching prey much larger than themselves.